Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on Alex Builds we've got part 52 of Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. So issue 52 is a nice quick easy issue, so let me show you in the magazine what we're going to be doing. So first up, as always, cross-reference your parts, make sure these are the parts you get in your magazine. This is the area we're going to be working on today. So to start off with, we're going to be assembling our muscle, and we're going to be taking the smaller part here, and this is going to be going into the larger part through the back end, and then we're going to be putting a muscle cap on the front of that. We're going to be gluing that on. Then we're going to be taking the part that we had left over from last week, and we're going to be gluing that onto it so it looks like that. Then we're going to be getting our T800 and we're going to be putting the pelvic plate onto there until basically we have something that looks a little bit like that with one muscle left over. And also at the back of the magazine you get what's coming up in next week's issue. Next week's we're going to be fitting more parts to the torso and the pelvis. And that is pretty much it guys, not much to do, so yeah, without further ado, let's get building. Okay, so to start off with we're going to need these two parts here. They are two different sizes. One does have a tapered bit on the bottom, just like that. And basically what we're going to do, this bit tapers off into a smaller end, that's going to be our front, and this is going to be the back. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this, we're going to put it this way down through the back, so it comes out the other end, just like that. And basically all we're going to do, we're going to bring in this part here, I'm going to apply some glue all the way around this edge, just underneath this little lip, just here. And we're going to lock that into place on here. So let's get some glue ready. I've already got a cocktail stick, got some glue, let's drop that there. Alright, let's get this on here. Running some glue all the way around. Just like that, and now this can lock it into place for us. So we're going to slide this over this smaller tube with the lip at the far end, and we're going to pull this into the assembly, just like that. And that is what that looks like after this step. So basically all that needs to be done, we need to bring in this piece now, the piece that we had left over from a couple of issues ago, and apply some glue to this as well, all the way around the same edge, just here, and just underneath this little lip again. These are quite snug fits, so if you haven't got any glue you could still do this stage, as we don't actually fit all this part at the moment. I think that should do. And now all we're going to do is we're going to push this into the larger end, the back end. Doesn't matter which way it goes, push it all the way down, give it a good squeeze, and that's what you should be left with after that stage. So now we've got this bit that pivots back and forth, and this bit comes in and out. That's this bit now complete. We can put this away. I will show you where this is going to go, what the muscle's for at the end of the video. And we're going to bring our T800 in now, and we're going to get this plate fitted onto the pelvis. Okay, so we've got our T800 in, and as you can see, we've got this area here on the pelvis that hasn't got anything in it. That's where this plate comes into. So we've got some points on here that we need to look at. So we've got 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, there's actually 6 little points on there. And if you look on the back of the Terminator, we also have some holes on the back here. That's what's going to keep this in for us. So we want it this way around. That's just going to slot in, lining up the holes. And we're just going to push that into place, just like that. And that's going to hold itself in. No glue required. I'll turn it over so you can see what it looks like from the back. Just like that. And that's what it looks like from the back. So as for this muscle, I did say I'd show you where it was going to go. This is going to go in the front of our pelvis, just here. It's going to locate into there and attach to the top of the thigh at some point. I'll try and get you a better angle of that. So that's going to go in there, or this side. It's one of them anyway. And we're going to be making another one of these over the next few weeks to do the other side. Just like that. As for the issues coming up next week, we can have a quick look at that while we're here. As I said, we get this part here, which is the top piece of this. So we get another one of them. We get this part here, which is the opposite side to the one we did here. On this bit here, it's going to go on this side here. This bit here, I'm not sure where it's going to go. This bit here, it looks like it's the connecting point to go into this tube to connect onto here. So yeah, looking forward to next week. There's a few things to put on next week. So with issue 52 all complete, that means we've been building this part work for a year now, and I think it's come along a long way in the first year. Still got another year and a bit to go. But yeah, the first year's gone great so far, and also it's the mark of my first year on YouTube. So thank you all for joining me. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to go over to my YouTube channel, there's other part works and that I do on there. You might want to go check them out. There might be something you're interested in there. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you later.